Gas caddy set up here. We're gonna try it out, see how it does. It pumps pretty quick. Does real good. It needed a little holder where you could stick the end of that down in it. Turn that in loose just a second. Okay, now. So I got this little weld right here that's sitting on. I'm gonna raise this end up just a little bit too. Put right in the middle. So I'll get one put in the middle there too. I'll show y'all what we're using here. We've got a Lincoln Ranger 225 generator welder, stick welder, and I've got a 220 paracord adapted to hook to my welder. We don't have 220 power down here in the shop, and we've been using this, which works out pretty good. Got an exhaust pipe run through the wall with a flapper on it on the outside so rain doesn't get in it. And then we can stick weld with it. We can run that MIG welder with it, and then if the power goes off, we can hook lights to it and still work down here. This is a Hobart Ironman 230. Seems like a real good welder. And I've also got a spool gun attachment for it for aluminum. And then we have a Hobart Handler 140 smaller MIG welder that we use as well. But this right here has been a real good little welder. We use Millers at school primarily, and basically Hobart and Miller are pretty well the same thing. Hobart's just a little cheaper price wise, but this is a lot like the Hobart the Miller 250 welders, which sort of simple to set and not digital or anything, just a plain little machine, but does a good job. But what we was doing on this trailer when we built this tailgate, I wasn't sure how it was going to work out, so we just used a light piece of 1-inch tubing to kind of practice with and see how it's going to do. And we took that piece of flat bar today and welded on the edge of it and up edgeways along the side to stiffen it, and I believe that'll be strong enough. It's not going to have a lot of pressure on it, but over time that tubing would have broke, I believe. But please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.